Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. Today's session we are going to discuss about the text function, aggregate function, okay. In DAX function, in a previous video we have already discussed about calculated column and measures, right? So I hope you understood well and I hope everybody keep on practicing and keep on learning, right? So today's session we are going to see the text function. So this is started for today's session, right? So go to the get data and again I take a text CSV file. So I want to take a pizza sales data CSV, open it. So what text function does, like a text function, suppose you want to make a capital letter, I mean uppercase, lowercase, right? So even you want to see from left hand side, how many does it, right hand side, right? So middle, you want to replace, you want to search any particular text. So in that situation, you have to use the text function. Okay. So let's see how we're going to do this. Like in previous, as I told you guys, DAX function used for majorly calculated column and measures, as well as you can perform the like text function, date and time function as well inside it. So my data is loaded now. Okay, again I go back to my table view. As you can see here, simple. We have to right click end of the column and we have to add a new column. So first one I'm going to the same just like Excel I told you is equals to upper U double P E R upper tab. So you can see the parameters here, upper text, convert the text string to all upper letters. So I want to write here pizza name. So all pizza name it will going to convert in the capital letter. Okay, as you can see here, you can give it here like upper is upper text, whatever you want, you can give the column name. Same as again, right click, go to the new column for the next one. Right here again, I will write here lower, LOWER tab it. Again, I will write the pizza name. Okay. Close it back to enter. So see all converted to the lower. So lowercase underscore case. So I given column name lowercase. Again right click, new column. Okay. So next I suppose I want to left and left. So see text first parameters and number of character. So return the specified number of character from the start of the text string. So again I take the name of the pizza. Okay. Suppose I given 4, so I want to see the 4 digit from the left side of the text. So you can see 4 digit will out from the text, left hand side. So left text. Next one, right click, new column. Again, you go for the right text number of character. Again, please name number of characters. Suppose I given 3. Enter. So from right hand side, 3 text without, as you can see here, guys. So again, I given the right text. Txt right text. Okay. Same as we go for the mid. Again, right click, same new column, like as usual we are doing. So mid. See the parameter text start position number of characters. So text to say return a string of character from the middle of a text string given a starting position and length. So again I take here pizza name comma start position. Suppose if I start from 1, so 1 start from where deluxe D double D farmhouse F, right? So if it 2, so it will start from E in deluxe. So I given 1 number of characters. Suppose I given 4. That's it. Enter. So you can see 4 out. So it's the middle text. Where I want, you can choose mid text. Again, right click, new column. Suppose I want to check the length of text, len length. So text return the number of character in a text string. So again, I given the pizza name. Okay. So I given the column length of text, len length, text. This also count the space between. Suppose you are given the name double cheese, so double cheese between spaces also count the space here. Okay, blank space. Again, right click, new column. So length made done. Okay, replace. Sorry. So old text and start position, number of character, new text. So old text. So you see, replace part of the text string with a different text string. Like very simple example. Suppose your deluxe, place of deluxe, I just put it here double cheese. Place of double cheese, I put deluxe means totally replace. Suppose here name, like suppose place of Ankit, I am just put it here Sachin. Place of Sachin, I put it Ankit. So that is called replace basically. So here I just take a name, pizza name, the old text, first parameter. Start position, suppose oh, pizza name, comma. Start position, suppose given 1, so it will start from 1. Number of characters, suppose I want 3. Space, new text. Student text always double quotation. Suppose I mention a DKS, DK student. Okay, double quotation close, close the bracket, parenthesis. Even you can give hyphen here, whatever you want. You can give the delimiters. Enter. See, starting, remove the 3 character guys, as you can see in my data set, and just put a DKS for each of the name of the pizza, right? So here I will write replace, replace text, fine. Another I will go next new column and I will add it here, like search. If you want to search tab. Find the text means which text you're looking for. Basically, within the text, obviously within text, it will find it. Start position, if not found the value. So return the starting position of the one text string within another text string. Search in not case sensitive. Not case sensitive in that case means you can write capital letter and small letter. Okay. Case sensitive, where is a case sensitive? You have to take care of the capital letter small, like a programming languages like Java, Python, they all are the case sensitive. But this is a tool. Here's a doesn't matter of the case sensitive. You can choose capital letter, even you can choose small letter as well. Okay. So find the text. So suppose I want in deluxe visa, I want to find the X. You can choose anyone double quotation because text, comma, within text. So what is text name? Visa name. So I will choose pizza name, guys, comma. Next parameter start position from where? Suppose I take 1. If not found the value, obviously value not found, what you should give? 0. Let's show the 0 for that. So search. So here I will write search text. So as you can see guys here, deluxe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? The fifth number is showing the X, right? So it's in fifth. Even the second criteria, second place also deluxe. So the fifth number showing the X, right? So it's showing the actual position of that text, such which number existing, right? Rest of there is no X, so it's showing the 0, 0, 0 as you can see here. Now next one again I go for like suppose I want to see the A. So you can see farmhouse FA. So A second position existing. Even here you can also see farmhouse to second position here. So you can see A existing in the 5 position. And again Margarita MA. So A existing in the second position. So here you can take capital letter, small letter as you wish. No problem. So even I put capital, I'll get it same output. Okay. So this is where you can use the text function. Clear? Now I want to load the data. You guys can save this one and again you can query for the next one. Like again I go back to home and I will load the same data again. Pizza cells. So make sure you have to save it. Don't forget. Okay. So topic wise you can save that as a better. Data is loading. So just wait for. See, whatever formula you put it, you can say fx formulas. Again, I will take second data. Fresh. I want to apply an aggregate function. What aggregate function does basically? Aggregate function always summarize the value column wise, like maximum, minimum. So I want to use a maximum. See, so I want to see the maximum sales or maximum price. So maximum value without, you can see 284 showing the maximum value. So I rename the column maximum value, maximum sales. So maximum price or any specific you can choose. So it's a maximum value. Again, right click, go to the new column. Again, I go for the min. So you can see column again, pizza sales or pizza price. As you wish, you can choose anyone, guys. Okay. So minimum sales. Again, I will rename the column minimum sales. That's it. Again, right click, new column, sum, sum. So I want to make a total of the pizza sales. So it will make the sum of all total. So 1562, as you can see, total sales. Okay. Again, right click, new column, average value. So pizza. Okay. Sales again. So we find the average value. So this is average value is coming. Average sales. In new column. Here you can have count. So just count 11 piece of them. Number of element. Okay. So this way. Oh, sorry, we have right outsiders. Numbers of elements. So it will count the number of elements. Okay. So this is where you can intervene. Count. Count. Let's plug in. Cells. Okay. Pizza cells. Close the bracket. So 11 of that. Okay. So this is where you can count it. Clear? So in next session, we are going to discuss about the date and time function, how we're going to apply the date and time function in DAX. So I hope you guys understood. Thank you so much. Then see you next video.